Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, we are going to be talking about Bitboy Crypto's Ben token, which is currently trending big time on Twitter, having 1,000+% gains over the last couple of days since this thing has launched. Just yesterday, he ended up announcing that he was partnering up with this. But the big question in everybody's mind is, what is the next Pepe, and is Ben token the next Pepe? Can we get 100x? That's what I'm going to talk through in this video, guys. If you like the content, if you miss out on Pepe and you're looking for some meme tokens, well, I'll tell you a little bit about what I'm looking at, why I'm interested in Ben, and what I'm thinking here coming ahead. Smash up a like, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every single day for you guys, and at 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out, guys. The overall market cap is doing okay. We're coming down a little bit. Actually, it's about even, 0.94% up. So it looks like some smaller tokens are still moving, but Bitcoin is moving down today. It's about down 1% right now from earlier today. CPI data came up. It was moving up, had a big spike up to, above $28,000. And then it was a fake out, and we had a big old dip downward. I'll show you that chart here in a second. But look at what's going on. Can Ben coin flip Pepe? Well, I'll tell you this. It is trending number 2 next to Pepe on CoinMarketCap, which is absolutely incredible right now, along with Sui, which has gotten a lot of attention. So it's definitely a top contender for attention. And everybody's trying to call this an attention token right now. But what's going on? Let's get into some of the numbers, guys. Well, first of all, Bitcoin's down a little bit right now, and it's actually a very interesting pattern. I've had this chart drawn for a while. It hit off the bottom of this resistance at 27,400, crashed back down even further. But we had a move up today. It rejected, came back down. Now we're deciding whether or not we want this daily candle to be red or if we can try to come back up and be green. Some people are looking for possibly even a $20,000 price level, calling this a head and shoulders pattern. There's the head. Here is your shoulders right there. So it's going to be very interesting to see. There's your shoulders. There's your head and your shoulders. And people are thinking we might get a move down to here. I like to try to stay positive. I think there's a lot of reasons to say that Bitcoin continues to go up. But I got to be honest and say anything could happen with this. But what happens with these meme tokens? Well, here's Ben token right now. Had a big dip down as well. Big retracement, unfortunately, for Ben token, but looks like it's trying to recover right now on the hourly candle. So we'll see if it can actually end up coming. But for those of you that missed this, and if you want to buy, it's definitely down a little bit, still quite up from where it started, down from its peak. So, as things, you want to buy when there's blood in the streets. You definitely want to be looking at Bitcoin to be buying at these times. Now, these meme tokens, a lot more volatility, a lot more risk. So, do your own research on that, but check it out. So right now I'm in Ben token and BAM, which is another token that Bitboy Crypto happens to like as well. But these are both projects that will inevitably have utility from what I'm hearing on Twitter, and exchange listings may be coming for both of these tokens. But let's focus on Ben right now. So where's it at? It's at a $41 million market cap. And just the other day, it was almost at $100 million market cap. So it's down about 50% from just the other day. And potentially a good buying opportunity. Well, where is Ben compared to Pepe? Well, Ben is at, again, $42 million market cap. Well, Pepe is down right now as well from its previous highs at a $727 million market cap. This thing is down about 50% as well from its all-time high. It was all the way up to like 1.5 billion just the other day. Well, what if Ben did overtake Pepe? Well, if it did, and as you can see here, it would have a 20x from here. So if you have $1,000 in it, you could turn it into $20,000. If you have $10,000 in it, you could turn it into $200,000. And so on and so forth, guys. Now, is this likely? I don't know if it's likely, but I got to throw it out there and say it's certainly possible. A lot is possible, guys. And I'll say one thing. Somebody like Bitboy Crypto and ETH_Ben on Twitter, these two guys that are behind this project, are definitely putting their reputations on the line for it, whereas Pepe has anonymity behind it. Nobody knows who the leaders are, and there's a potential rug opportunity there. That being said, Pepe is an incredible movement. So for anything to pass Pepe is an extreme feat of a success. So it's hard to say whether this will happen or not. Got to note that it is extremely risky. Moving from a $40 million market cap all the way up to an $800 million market cap would be incredible. Some people think it could get to $1 billion market cap. So I got to say it's certainly possible. But 100x, you have to do a 5x move bigger than Pepe. It actually has to not only 20x, but do that 5 more times in order to get to 100x. But let's look at some of the comments from Bitboy Crypto himself to determine where we're at, what the sentiment is, and what he's saying about the project. Bam and Ben are both 2 tokens that he likes. Again, those are 2 tokens I'm in as well right now. For those who missed other, here's your chance. Bam is a meme coin with huge potential according to Bitboy Crypto. But he's also saying that Ben is an absolute monster. And he's even going as far to claim, remember, this is the largest crypto YouTuber out there. He's putting his reputation on the line. If you know Bitboy Crypto, if you watch him, he definitely cares about his reputation. He's saying it's an absolute monster, going to end up in the top 50, maybe the top 20. So what would that mean for the Ben token? Well, let's do this way. So again, if we had Pepe token as market cap, we'd have a 20x. Well, what would happen if we had something like, let's say, Cardano, which is at a rank number, I think it's at like rank number, I don't know, in the top 10 or something like that. Let's say, actually, here's what I'll do. Let me go back to CoinMarketCap. Let's pull the number 20 rank token. So let's say it can get the market cap of this token that I don't even know what it is. Unos said Leo. $3 billion market cap. What happens if it gets to Unos de Leo? Let's see how that is. Unos. See, it's not even showing on here. Let me pull another coin. I'll pull Chainlink. We'll pull Chainlink. Link token. Let's see. I think it's glitching out on me here. Let's pull this up again. So Link token. Boom. What happens if it takes over Link? Well, then you would have an 83x from here. So 100x gets very difficult. Gets very, very difficult indeed. So you will even have to flip Link token in order for Ben to get 100x. Now, guys, a 20x and a 50x, a 80x are absolutely incredible. It's hard to say whether or not that's actually going to happen. It's very speculative investment, but Bitboy Crypto is claiming it could be in the top 50, top 20, which means maybe you could have upwards of a 50x for the token from here. He's so confident that he's willing to bet 5 BTC that in a year that the market cap is actually not smaller than today. So he is bullish on his token and he's willing to bet 5 BTC. And also, looking at this, he is teasing that, originally they didn't want to do centralized listings, but they're getting exclusive offers from large exchanges, and they are looking to do some big exchange listing possibly now. So that could be big for the token as well. He is doubling down and saying that these are guaranteed, not rug pulls. I can't guarantee that, but that's what Bitboy Crypto is coming out and saying. So he's, again, putting his entire reputation behind this thing, which is absolutely incredible. This is something we've never seen from a big influencer like this. And he's calling this a meme coin transition. The excitement from meme coins pivoting to possibly real utility projects like what he thinks BAM and Ben are going to be into the future. So those are some of the comments. And one thing I want to show you guys too real quick. Now, if you feel like you're too late to Ben and you feel like you're too late to some of these Ethereum tokens that have absolutely been rallying, I want to point something out for you guys. The total value locked up in Ethereum right now is $27 billion with a B. Well, in case you haven't heard it, and I'm going to do a video on this tomorrow, there may be some other opportunities coming along in BRC20 tokens, essentially Bitcoin tokens. You can build stuff on Bitcoin now. It's currently overall at a $634 million market cap. Now, let me ask you guys, do you think that Bitcoin's DeFi plays should be bigger than Ethereum's DeFi plays? I'll leave you spinning with that question in your head until my next video when I talk a little more about the opportunities I'm looking at in BRC20 tokens. I think there's going to be huge 10, 20, 100, maybe even 1,000x plays in the BRC20 tokens. If you guys don't believe that Ben token is going to flip Pepe Let me know in the comments down below. If you do think that it will, let me know also. I want to get your thoughts, folks. That's all I got in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, you got to remember, folks, to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.